If we win this game of Fortnite that we are about to play, I will give you $50,000 in cash.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
It starts in 3, 2, 1. Good luck.
I just hope you're ready to carry because every single other person in this lobby is shit at Fortnite.
This is my first game.
Good luck, Joshy.
I'm gonna
Okay.
try my best.
Oh, I jumped too early, but I'll fly there. It's all good.
Wait.
I hit my
you
space bar on accident.
You just not want him to have $50,000?
We need to stick together to win.
Everyone go to Dirty Docks. No one's gonna want there because it's musty and old.
All right, Joshy's calling it, man. The pressure's on him.
Another team's coming in hot. We better not get squad wiped.
Landon, I'm relying on you right now.
Landon's on the other side of the map.